my name is Vivek Motivaras. I'm basically from Porbandar, Gujarat. I enrolled in I-Medita in February 2018 as in multi-track program. So what I like most about the I-Medita is the 24/7 by lab. So when I get bored in PG, so I come here at the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And what I like most about is the trainers. I like the Surinder sir most. And when I was in an interview in SecurView, so which helped me most is the two sessions, like a deep dive and PD session. PD session is really helpful for the confidence, to build the confidence. And I like to recommend it who I-Medita who are trying to who want to pursue his career or her career in in networking domain. So I suggest him to just come here and just study here, and you will get a good job with a good technical knowledge. Thank you.